advantages from the cash is king, couldn't we use these as a way to explain to our special finance customer why it's a good thing to go a little shorter term and put a larger down payment? I mean, couldn't we just say to the guest, hey, look, Mr. and Mrs. Jones, I understand earlier that you said you had poor credit. So before I walk through this proposal, I wanted you to know that my boss went ahead and put together the best way for you to be able to buy a car financially. Now, the reason he did this is because by putting a larger cash investment down, what that's going to do is help lower the payments overall. And by doing that, coupled with the shorter terms, what that's going to allow you to do is be able to pay the car off faster. And most people like the ability to pay the car off faster. In your case, what it could lead to is an increased trade cycle. And because you weren't thrilled with the SUV that we had picked out based on your credit situation, what it'll allow you to do is be able to pay that car off quicker while you're rebuilding your credit. Financially though, probably one of the more important things that this allows you to do is you're going to save money in finance charges.